Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best shower knobs is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in your daily routine, transforming a mundane shower into a spa-like experience or leaving you frustrated with inconsistent water pressure and temperature. Imagine stepping into a shower that perfectly caters to your needs every single time, with controls that are intuitive, responsive, and built to last, enhancing both the functionality and aesthetic of your bathroom. This review delves into the top contenders, examining their performance, durability, ease of installation, and overall value to help you make an informed decision for an upgraded showering experience. Number 5. Moen 100710 Posi-Temp Handle Replacement Kit. Introducing the Moen Posi-Temp Tub and Shower Faucet Handle Replacement Kit, Model 100710. This kit is designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing fixtures. Its versatile design features a highly reflective chrome finish, offering a mirror-like look that complements any decorating style in your bathroom. Installation is a breeze. This replacement handle is designed to fit most existing Moen bathtub and shower faucet assemblies, making upgrade simple. This is the ideal solution for repairing problematic plumbing fixtures. You can fix issues without the need to replace the entire unit. As an original equipment manufacturer part, this shower knob is an authentic Moen replacement, ensuring the quality and performance you expect. Crafted for longevity, this part is built to last. It is further backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? This is an authentic Moen replacement part, designed for easy installation and a versatile chrome finish. If you have a Moen Posi-Temp system and are looking for a reliable, direct replacement that maintains the original quality, this is the choice for you. It's ideal for repairing existing fixtures without a full replacement. What people say. The build quality is outstanding. The materials used feel durable and solid, ensuring that this replacement knob will withstand the test of time. The ergonomic design allows for easy gripping and turning, making adjustments to water temperature and flow a seamless experience. The precision engineering is evident as I feel the knob glide effortlessly beneath my fingers. Its sleek and modern design effortlessly complements my bathroom decor, adding a touch of elegance to the overall ambience. Number 4. Danco 80457 for Pfister Verve Faucet Handles. Upgrade your bathroom with these stylish replacement faucet handles. Designed specifically for the Pfister Verve tub and shower, they offer a perfect fit and a classic look. These handles are engineered to replace Pfister OEM #941-341 for 2 to 3 handle tub and shower faucets. Ensure a seamless installation with their precise design. Measuring 2 to 3/8 inches in diameter at the base and 2 to 1/2 inches in height, these handles provide a comfortable grip and a balanced aesthetic. Constructed from durable metal and steel, these handles are built for long-lasting performance. Enjoy reliable use for years to come. The sleek chrome finish complements any bathroom decor, adding a touch of elegance. Clear hot and cold index buttons provide a classic, functional touch. What we like? These handles are specifically designed for Pfister Verve tub shower valves, offering a durable metal construction with a classic chrome finish. If you own a Pfister Verve faucet and need to replace just the handles, these are the perfect fit. They provide a long-lasting upgrade with clear hot and cold index buttons. What people say. Not plastic. These are metal. I've gone through 3 plastic sets in the last year as they kept stripping. They function well and have been durable this far. They fit great and the durability is great as well. They are metal as opposed to the plastic ones which stripped on the inside. Number 3. Delta Faucet RP2391 Single Clear Knob Handle Kit. Experience a hassle-free setup with this easy and quick installation process. It's designed for a seamless fit, saving you time and effort. This handle kit is specifically made for use with 600 series tub and shower faucets. Please note it is not compatible with Monitor, ScaldGuard, or Delta Mix models. Enjoy added convenience with the included buttons. They are part of this thoughtfully designed accessory kit. Rest assured, this product is made to Delta's original specifications and rigorously tested for quality performance. It's designed exclusively for Delta products. It offers compatibility with crystal handles, excluding Delta Mix and ScaldGuard models. This ensures a versatile fit for many applications. This item is proudly made in the USA, reflecting a commitment to domestic manufacturing and quality craftsmanship. What we like. This kit is made to Delta's original specifications and is manufactured in the USA, ensuring quality performance for your Delta 600 series tub shower faucets. If you have a Delta faucet from the 600 series, excluding monitor and scald guard, and prioritize American-made quality with a simple, hassle-free installation, this is the ideal option. It includes the necessary buttons for a complete look. What people say. This shower knob replacement is easy to install and works perfectly. The design of this shower knob is sleek and modern, adding a nice touch to my bathroom. The functionality of this shower knob is excellent, providing a smooth and consistent water flow. Number 2. Danco 10003 Single Function Tub Trim Kit. Upgrade your shower experience with this versatile trim kit. It's designed to replace various Delta shower valve series, ensuring a perfect fit for your existing setup. This kit is compatible with both cartridge and ball-style shower faucets. It works with Delta Monitor 1300, 1400 and 600 series valves, offering broad application. Installation is straightforward, but ensure you have a minimum 3 to 1 2-inch opening in the wall. This allows the trim plate to sit flush for a clean, professional look. Get step-by-step guidance with Built's 3D interactive instructions. These voice and text-guided directions make assembly and installation quick and confident. Featuring a sleek chrome finish, this trim kit not only functions perfectly but also enhances the aesthetic of your bathroom. It's built to last and maintain its shine. Specifically engineered for Delta shower valves, this replacement trim ensures a precise fit. It's the ideal solution for updating or repairing your tub and shower fixtures. What we like. This trim kit offers broad compatibility with various Delta shower valve styles, including 1300, 1400 series and 600 series, and comes with revolutionary BLT 3D interactive instructions. If you're looking for a versatile replacement that fits multiple Delta cartridge or ball-style shower faucets and appreciate guided, step-by-step installation assistance, this is an excellent choice. It's designed to ensure a flush wall fit. What people say. Comes with 3 different adapters to fit different shapes on the shower diverter cartridge, depending on the shape that you have. Product comes with different plates and 2 different handles to choose from, making it pretty much a universal fit. This is a big improvement looks-wise on the old crystal ball style Delta 600 shower handle. Once installed, it looks great. Number 1. Essential Values Moen Shower Handle Replacement. Introducing the Essential Values Shower Handle Replacement, designed to perfectly fit your Moen shower knob and tub. Crafted for long-lasting durability, this replacement ensures reliable performance for both your shower and tub. It's engineered for a perfect fit with Moen Posi-Temp systems, seamlessly integrating into your bathroom setup. With its durable plastic construction and clear instructions, installation is a hassle-free process. Designed for years of dependable use, it's built to withstand daily wear and tear while maintaining optimal performance. Sized at 2.75 inch long and 1.50 wide, it's tested and inspected in the USA to guarantee top quality and reliability. What we like. This replacement knob is designed for compatibility with Moen 100710 Posi-Temp systems, featuring a durable plastic construction and easy installation. If you have a Moen Posi-Temp shower and are looking for an affordable, reliable, and straightforward replacement knob, this is a great option. It's built for years of reliable use and tested in the USA. What people say. Purchased to replace a broken knob on our shower. This fit and is used daily. Looks like OEM. Easy to replace. Works well. Durable. Looks good. Less than 30 seconds I was able to unscrew the broken one and replace it with this replica. Yes, this is another plastic shower knob, but it's more sturdy than the old plastic shower knob I had for 10 years. In less than 30 seconds with a Phillips screwdriver I had a working shower again. Comes with the washer, screw, and plastic shower knob. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.